For better living, are you feeling good tonight? This thing got me thinking of life.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a quick crochet tutorial using Freetress Beach Curl in the 18 inches and a color 1B. As you can see, I have the cornrows going back. I have a total of 12 cornrows on her head, 6 on one side and 6 on the other side, and then 2 connecting braids to create the part for her on the side. So because this hair is of a silkier texture, I'm going to be making sure that I do multiple knots to secure it so that way it doesn't slide and come undone. I'll be doing about anywhere from 2 knots to 6 knots, just depending on how secure I feel like it is. But yeah, I'm just going to be doing this all through until we get to the part. So for her parting, we're going to be doing the Invincible method. It is a new method that I started doing recently, and it works really well for this type of hair, crochet hair texture. So I'm going to be showing you guys, so make sure you stick around for that. Okay, so for the Invincible method using this hair, what I'm going to be doing is tying multiple knots initially, about anywhere from 2 to 4 knots or 5, and then I'll be taking one strand of the hair and just pretty much pulling that strand from under the cornrows to put it over the cornrows. What this is going to do is just going to cover that knot we just created. So most people typically would leave the knots showing, but I found that this method creates a more natural parting for my clients. I used to do it to where like the knots would just be as is, but I find it very unappealing in terms of styling. But whenever I do take that string of hair and pull it from under the cornrows to over just to cover that knot, it creates a more natural finish and an invisible parting, especially with this hair, because it's so hard to work with sometimes because of its silkier nature. It's very helpful to just pull that hair from under the cornrows to cover the top. When I'm done doing the invisible method on the parting, I like to go ahead and proceed to finish the rest of the hair. Once again, just repeating the same step we've done in the front section, not the front section, in the beginning portion of this video. Just crocheting your hair as regular. And anyways, just gonna be taking some moves. I'm gonna be applying the product all through the hair. This is gonna really define the curls because we did separate them to install the crochet, so adding the moves is gonna bring back that curl definition that you once had or that you want. Just apply that. And for maintenance with this hair, I will always recommend any curl activator. They'll be very, very good to like revive it in the morning, or you can use some moves to maintain the curls. And don't forget to cut out the ends, because if you don't, this hair will tangle quite a bit, so be very careful. If you're gonna go to bed, just section off your hair and twist it and put on a silk based scarf or bonnet and you'll be good. And in the morning, just undo them and then apply like a curl activator or a mousse and you'll be good to go. And that is it for this tutorial, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, comment, share, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Have a merry day and God bless.
Talk it through.